This is a special invitation to all the startup owners, startup company owners. If you are trying to start your own business or you have already started your own business and now is the time when you want to really take your business to next level, don't miss this event. Hi, this is Dr. Manav Ahuja, business strategist and a CEO coach, founder and CEO TPAC International. This is a special workshop I am keeping for all of you startup owners, startup company owners, or those who want to learn how to start a startup business. It's very easy, believe me, but there are a lot of mistakes that people do. People don't prepare well before starting their own business. And once you have started your business, then there is a time when you really need to infuse a lot of capital, a lot of funds in your business to achieve next level of growth. I'm keeping this special workshop to help all the startup owner companies. This is investor and fund seekers under one roof. This is happening in Bur Dubai Holiday International Hotel on 13th of September, Wednesday evening. So we have kept the time, location and slot very convenient for all of you. Just be part of it. Just come and be a part of this particular workshop. This is your opportunity to grab amazing funding, on-spot instant approval for your amazing business and business ideas. Just be a part of this. My dear friend, what are you waiting for? Immediately call my team, book your slot, book your seat. We have got very limited seats and really looking for those who are super serious about scaling up their business, especially the startup owners, the business owners. If you're a startup owner, if you're a company owner, if you're a business owner, anywhere in UAE, specifically Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, any Emirate, just become a part of this particular session, this particular workshop, this particular event. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.